Well, good morning. This is Uncle Gene. We're Uncle Gene's Fishing Network. Today I'm fishing with my buddy Ed Kaczynski. We're on Marsh Creek Lake near Downingtown, Pennsylvania. That's Ed out there in the yellow. I don't know if you can see him. Beautiful place. It's supposed to be 85 degrees today. The first hot, really warm day. You can dangle your feet in the water, take your shirt off. It's just a wonderful day. We're already hooked into a couple bass. We're trying minnows. I'm trying lures. I'm trolling lures. Right now I'm fishing off this log over here, and we're on the leeward side. The wind is blowing the bait fish in towards the shoreline here, so we hope to catch something real soon. Okay, so I'm here with Captain Ed, who's over there fishing, and I just caught my first bass. Maybe about a 14-incher, 15-incher. Gonna put him back in the water real quick. Okay. Got my first perch. Oh, looks like he swallowed it. Alright, I need both hands now to get the hook out of its mouth. Nice perch. Ooh, they got a real rough texture to them. See that, Kevin? That's a perch. Alright. Ed's got himself a real nice bass. What is that, like 18, 20 inches?
That's probably 14.
14? It's got to weigh a couple pounds, Ed.
That's it. No, you know what? He's 15. He's 15. Oh.
He's loose in the kayak.
No, I should measure him. That's a nice little one.
Nice little one.
All
right. Well, here we are. We're still fishing. We got out of the sun a little bit. We're in the shade over here. Kind of sunburned up too much. Beautiful place this lake is. What a beautiful place. Okay, looks like I got another one here. I don't know what it is. Could be a perch. It's a perch. Nice size perch. Okay. Let's toss him back. I should be saving these to eat them.
We got one here. Let's see how big it is.
Ooh, your rod's really bending. Oh, look at that bass.
There we go.
Ooh.
Come on. Open him up.
Again with the black worm. Look at that. That one's bigger than the last one, isn't it?
About the same. I'm going to have to use a hook in this one also.
Uh-oh.
See you guys. See you next year.
Fishing right off these weeds, right here along the embankment.
You go ahead of me while I'm sitting around and putting up the music.
All right. Okay, just got another bass here. Nice one. Caught him on a minnow. Gonna put him back in the water right away. Okay. Kind of hard to hold the camera and film at the same time. Got to get me a GoPro. Okay, got me another fish. What do I have here? A perch. Got another perch. Fishing's been real good today. I got about 5 perch, 3 largemouth bass. Got to get this guy back in the water.